Priyanshu Chaurasia and I belong to Unnao. So today I am going to share a short story.
Very good.
So would you like to appreciate me?
Why not? Sure.
But before starting, I would like to pay my gratitude to the respected sir for giving me this golden opportunity to speak here. Shall we start now?
By all means.
So today I am going to share a story of Bill Gates. Once there was an interview, there were so many interviewers. They are asking questions to Bill Gates, and everybody is asking about his money and so many things. But there was an interviewer who was sitting there and who was seeing everything very silently. And after some time, suddenly he stand up and asked a question to Bill Gates that what is the secret of your success? But firstly, Bill Gates ignored him. But again he asked this question. And after that, Bill Gates gave him a check and tell him that whatever money do you want, just write on it, I will give you. So he thought that he is doing kidding with him, so he ignored him. But after some he again asked that what is the secret of your success? So Bill Gates answered him that I always grab the opportunities. I never lose the opportunities. If you want to be in success, you have to always grab the opportunities. I gave you a check, so you should fill the check and you will become rich. So, but you missed it. But I never missed any opportunity. So, if you want to get success in your life, you have to grab every opportunity. So, thank you for appreciating.
Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, my dear. You can go.
So I am gonna call from the girl side. Girl's name is your name?
Sakshi.
Yeah, Miss Sakshi.
Lovely game for Sakshi.
Good morning, all of you. I am Sakshi. I am from Unnao. Today I am here to represent my views about given to story. So, would you like to appreciate me?
By all
But
means.
before saying anything, I would like to express my hearty gratitude to respected sir on being given a golden chance to speak here. So, shall we start now?
By all means.
Okay. Once there was a boy. His name was Raghav, and he was given to smoking. But his parents didn't know about his bad habit. Means they were
Aware, yeah.
So one day he was sleeping in his room. So suddenly he opened his eyes and he saw, he went out of his room and he was feeling giddy. So after some time he fell down on surface and he got fainted. As his parents found that Raghav has got fainted, then they rushed to the hospital and when doctors saw the Raghav and doctors found his body full of smoke, and doctor also found that his one kidney has got damaged very badly and another kidney is getting damaged by and by. So then doctor immediately informed his parents. And when his parents heard that, then means his parents got flabbergasted. And they got shocked. But the doctor suggested that no need to be worried, only you should keep an eye to Raghav. Then parents start and keep an eye to Raghav. Then sometime father, sometime mother, and sometime elder sister. Raghav didn't get any chance to smoke. But one day nobody was in the home, only mom was in the home. But she was doing some work in kitchen. So Raghav got a golden chance to smoke. And he took his cigarette and his lighter. He went on his room, very stealthy like that. Then after went to his own room and he took a sigh of relief. Wow, after a long month. then he lighted his cigarette and he started puffing. And then somebody patted his back like that. Raghav got flabbergasted. As he moved back, he found there was a monkey he again patted his back, so Raghav moved back. OMG, there was a father. Oh my God, Raghav got flabbergasted, and Raghav felt embarrassed like that. Then father said, "What are you doing this? There is no Monday when your mom not leave, and you are doing this." So Raghav realized his mistake, and Raghav said to sorry his father. And Raghav promised that I will give up my bad habits. So thank you so much for it.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Yes, yes.
Method of delivering.
Yes, yes.
About Miss Sakshi ma'am method of delivering. It was fantastic.
Very nice,
Please
man.
again clap for Sakshi ma'am. And I was called on the girl side again. The Miss name. What's the name of ma'am?
Anshika.
Please give a huge round of applause for Anshika.
Good morning, everyone. As you know very well that this is Anshika and I belong to Now. And today I want to share my given two stories. So would you like to appreciate me?
Why not? Sure.
But before saying anything, I would like to express my gratitude to respected sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak in front of all of you. So shall we start now?
By all means.
My story is based on about drugs. And you know very well that it's very harmful and corruptive for us. So shall I start my story?
By all means.
Once there was a boy who was always surrounded by the problems of his life. He was just fed up with his life. And one day he sat somewhere and suddenly his friend came to him and he found that he was very troubled. So he offered him a dose of drugs and told him that if you took it, then your confidence will increase. Then after he took it, and after that, as his friend said, his confidence level is started to touching the height of the sky. And you know that after some time, unfortunately, his mom gets admitted in a hospital and he was mentally disturbed on that time. Then again he took a dose of drugs, and for the third time he became a drug addict. And you know that if you are a drug addict, so you face many problems like stroke and mental disorder and memory losses. Then unfortunately, after some time, his mom was dead. And one day he went to his room and just took his dose, and suddenly his father came to his room and found that what is this? Then he was very embarrassed. Then he put his leg back, and then after his father trying to get rid of his bad habits, and then he started his treatment. But you know, if you are a drug addict, you face many problems. He had that restlessness and agitation. So that's why he ran away from that place. And finally, luckily, somehow his father got him, and then he told him that all his emotions, that what are you do? Then after he realized his mistake and promised his father that now I will try my best to get rid of my bad habits, and he continued his treatment. And after 1 year, he get rid of his bad habits and he gave up his bad habits. And you know what? It's a real story of Sanjay Dutt. So thank you so much for appreciating.
Anshika,
Very energetic story.
Anshika, there is a line in Hindi that आप क्या कर रहे हो? How we have to speak in English. आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
So what did you speak there?
What are you doing?
Okay, you have to work a point. Yes, next you can
I'm
call.
gonna call from the boys' side. The next buddy name is our lovely Sardan, Mr. Gilbert Chandler.
Wow, wow.
Please come on the stage.
Hi, very beautiful good morning, my respected teachers and dear friends.
Very good morning.
Today I am going to different story. So,
Sir.
would you like to listen?
Why not? Why not?
But we will be starting again, my respected teachers, Mr. Vikram sir, give me chance to start now.
By all means.
So, my dear friends, my best real story.
Okay.
There was two best friends.
There were two best friends.
Yes.
Good, beta.
His name Abhay sir
Good.
and Prabhat sir.
Prabhat sir.
So, Prabhat sir was so cute.
Okay. And Abhay sir was.
But Abhay sir was very so looking smart.
Okay.
Sir, Prabhat sir, one bad habit.
Okay.
Once a day, we went to coaching.
Okay. Which coaching?
American.
American. Okay.
He used to forget. Then after he put his phone on safe.
Okay.
Went to attend the class.
Good.
Then after I attend the class, sometime we going to my home.
Okay.
Then after Professor, I saw my phone is missing.
Okay.
Professor, I asked me, Gurmukh Singh, did you see my phone?
Okay.
I reply, I don't know.
Okay.
But you go come in the class.
You go to the conversation class.
You go in the class.
Good beta.
Professor, we went to class.
Good.
Professor, I saw the phone on sale.
Okay.
Day by day, same condition. Key, books, phone, day by day.
He used to forget.
Yes, sir. He had a given to forgetting things.
Okay.
So my friends really so thankful.
Oh wow, very nice.
Very funny story.
You didn't tell about the story of Abhay sir only. He's very gentleman. Okay, he doesn't.
Abhay sir is here and Prabhat sir is not here. That side.
If Prabhat had been here,
He's really
it is.
forgetting.
Yes, it is right. He said to us that it's a real story. Yes. Next, you can
So
go.
I'm going to call from the girl side. What's your name, ma'am? Poonam. Please give a huge round of applause for Poonam. Please, Poonam.